Welcome to our guide on starting a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of YouTube without showing your face, you're in the right place. Let's get started with niche selection. First, choose a niche that interests you and has an audience. Research trending topics and analyze competitors to find a unique angle. Next, let's move on to content planning. Create a content calendar to organize your video ideas. Use AI tools like Google Trends and BuzzSumo to identify popular subjects in your chosen niche. Now, for script writing, leverage AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper. Input your video topic and let the AI generate a script that is engaging and informative. After that, it's time for voiceover generation. Use text-to-speech software like Descript or Speechelo to create a natural-sounding voiceover. Choose a voice that matches your channel's tone. Next, let's discuss video creation. Use tools like Canva or InVideo to combine your visuals, voiceover, and background music. These platforms offer templates that make the process easy and efficient. Don't forget about thumbnail design. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails that reflect your video's content. Now, let's talk about your uploading strategy. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. Consistency is key, so aim to upload regularly. As for monetization methods, consider joining the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility requirements. You can also explore affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. Finally, let's cover common mistakes. Avoid neglecting audience engagement, respond to comments, and ask for feedback. Don't skip on quality. Invest time in editing and presentation. And remember, patience is essential. Growth takes time, so stay committed. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Good luck.